I'm McCall Griggs. Yes, McCall is my first name. I am a wife, a mom of 3, and a realtor in Gainesville, Florida. I specialize in preparing homes for market, so specifically helping sellers. And I have a passion for helping people, whether they're downsizing, moving into independent living, or maybe they've lost a loved one and they've inherited a property that they need to liquidate. I also really enjoy helping people through messy times, whether it's divorce or losing somebody they love. And I want to hold your hand. I want to take you through the process, guards down, where you can feel vulnerable and kind of share the hard things that you're going through. I want to be someone who can kind of be your sounding board. You can bounce things off of me. And I'm not going to have the same emotional attachment that your family members or your friends who know and love you deeply, they're going to be more protective. I get to be a little bit more of your therapist, your devil's advocate, help you kind of sort through some of those things that really are big decisions, and maybe you're giving them more weight than they necessarily need. So I'm gonna help remove the things that you don't need to worry about with your real estate sales and help you focus on what really is important so that you can continue moving forward. You can be as vulnerable and raw and messy with me as you want to be, because I actually think that's incredibly beautiful. I find that my life is more fulfilled when people feel comfortable to be their most authentic selves with me. You can have no filter and it won't bother me at all. I'll actually feel like you do trust me and that you're allowing me to be that person for you. So let's go on a journey together.